The People's Liberation Army of China operates a large number of modern self-propelled guns, and the systems are continuing to be updated to further optimize operational capabilities. Currently, the Chinese Army's main 155mm self-propelled gun is the PLZ-05A and was first put into use by the PLA in 2008. As soon as such equipment entered service, assumptions arose about the basic possibilities of modernizing it with an increase in all main characteristics. However, for many years, this version did not receive confirmation. As we now know, the Chinese industry nevertheless carried out a deep modernization of the PLZ-05 Howitzer. The project was completed in the second half of the 2020s. Experimental equipment was built and brought to the test site. It was temporarily called PLZ-05B project. Images believed to be the PLZ-05B have been circulating on Chinese social media, showing the vehicle on the ground and in the parking lot with and without a camouflage cover on the turret. It is unknown at what stage the PLZ-05B project is now. It is obvious that the experimental equipment has already been taken to the test site, and in addition, vehicles are regularly transported in different directions. At the same time, it cannot be said that the self-propelled gun and the loading vehicle for it reached production and ended up in combat units. Perhaps this will happen later or has already happened, but the PLA is in no hurry to boast of such successes. It should be noted that detailed information about the new Chinese self-propelled guns is not yet available. There is only a set of photographs from different periods that allow us to make certain assumptions and conclusions. PLZ-05 products of all modifications have a traditional architecture and layout from modern self-propelled guns. They are built on a track chassis and are equipped with a rotating turret, which houses the artillery system, controls, crew positions, etc. With all this, the new PLZ-05B is significantly different from the A version. One of the main differences is the updated chassis. In general, it is similar to the old tracked platform, but has a modified undercarriage with 7 smaller diameter road wheels on each side. The previous PLZ-05A self-propelled gun has a 1000 horsepower diesel engine, and the new vehicle could receive the same or more powerful power plant. The tower has undergone modifications. Its dome as a whole remained the same, but in the lump part, new casings and boxes of unknown purpose appeared. It is likely that the internal equipment of the fighting compartment has also been improved, but for obvious reasons, no information has yet been received on this matter. The PLZ-05B self-propelled gun retains the old type of gun, which is a 155mm rifle gun. There is a developed muzzle brake, ejector, and recoil devices. Separately loaded shots with manual fitting to the rammer tray are used. The PLZ-05A self-propelled gun can fire in any direction with elevation angles from -3 to plus 65 degrees. PLZ-05A and B have developed fire control systems. According to known data, both self-propelled guns have a periscope and panoramic sight, a radar for measuring projectile speed located above the barrel, a digital ballistic computer, etc. Probably, the new self-propelled gun PLZ-05B uses modern devices and components, which provides well-known advantages of a production and operational nature. The PLZ-05 is capable of firing a full range of Chinese 155mm munitions. Range of standard projectile is estimated to be around 30 km. Rocket-assisted projectile has a range of 39 km. Also, recently, China publicly revealed new GP155G precision-guided anti-armor projectiles to a range of 34 km. Furthermore, China has developed a satellite-guided WS-34 155mm projectiles with a claimed maximum range of 100 km and accuracy of 40 meters. In terms of range, it outperforms a US M982 Excalibur, which has a range of up to 60 km when fired from a 52 caliber ordnance. Though the Excalibur is accurate out to 5 meters. Secondary armament consists of a 12.7mm machine gun mounted on top of the roof. It is easy to see the new Chinese self-propelled gun PLZ-05B is generally similar to previous models, and radical innovations are not envisaged. Apparently, the goal of the project was to optimize the existing design to obtain certain technological or operational results. In addition, it can be assumed that the most interesting changes and innovations are simply hidden under the armor. At the same time, an increase in fire characteristics could be ensured by improving control systems. New devices based on modern components will make it possible to more fully realize the potential of the gun and its ammunition. In addition, it becomes possible to introduce new projectiles with certain controls. Thus, the two modifications of the PLZ-05 self-propelled guns are not fundamentally different from each other, but the latest project has a number of important innovations.